Here are 3 methods that beginners use to earn over $1,000 a week using Pinterest affiliate marketing. However, remember that this won't make you a millionaire overnight or instantly wealthy. It's worth trying though. Also, I'm not going to pitch a Pinterest course at the end of this video. Instead, we'll explore 3 ways to make money on Pinterest, from the most challenging to the simplest, even if you're just starting out. The first method on our list is Pinterest affiliate marketing. People typically create Pinterest accounts focused on specific niches like Amazon gadgets. For instance, one account sharing gadget ideas has gained over 22,000 followers. Another account that posts about Amazon finds has 54 followers and almost 31,000 monthly views. While these numbers might not seem huge, even if just 1% of those viewers make a purchase through your affiliate links, it can result in a substantial income. You can visit a site like kit.co and click on the plus icon to start building a new kit from scratch. This allows you to create a virtual storefront. For instance, if you want to set up a store featuring products you use for video recording, people can purchase studio equipment directly from your store. You might wonder, but I don't own these products. That's where affiliate marketing comes in. You don't need to own them. If you want to add a product to use, for example this microphone right here, you can simply click on add products and search for the product you want to add, for example mouse. And if you're using this exact same mouse, you can click on it and click on add to kit. And as you can see, this is my kit where people can purchase these products directly on Amazon or other platforms, allowing me to earn a commission. To start earning commissions, go to your profile and click on edit profile, then select monetize. Scroll down to find the section for connecting your affiliate account. If you're connecting to Amazon account, go to your Amazon Associates account, copy your tracking ID and paste it right here. And once you're done with this, just click on save. This ensures that your affiliate commissions are tracked and credited to your account. To find good products, you can visit Amazon and check out the top deals or the items that are currently ranked number 1. These products are likely trending, especially if they fit your niche. You can find these products on kit.co by searching for them and adding them to your store. Once you've added the products, you can copy the link to your kit.co store and start sharing designs like the ones shown here, which links people to multiple products instead of just one. Once you're done with creating your storefront, it's pretty straightforward to create pins on Pinterest. Click on create, add your design in the designated area, and on the right hand side you can insert a link. Once you're done, simply click publish to share your pin. Another method for earning with Pinterest is CPA marketing, which stands for cost per action. In this model, you earn money when someone takes a specific action, such as signing up with their email or creating a free account. Payments can range from $2 to $5 depending on the offer. For instance, with the Audible Creator Program, people can get a free audiobook by signing up through your link, and you receive $15 for each trial membership you generate. This way you earn money without having to make any direct sales. You can design a pin similar to this example, which has received significant engagement. For instance, this pin has accumulated 35 comments, not to mention its high number of views. It's a straightforward pin directing users to a blog post. While this person uses a WordPress blog, you can enhance your approach for even better results. You can use a tool like SEOwriting.ai to create blog posts or write them yourself if you prefer. To simplify the process, enter your main keyword, generate a title, and focus on relevant topics such as books or other subjects. And don't forget to select NLP keywords to improve your ranking. By sharing these blog posts on Medium, you avoid the need for a personal website and can do it all for free. Just go to medium.com, click write, and once your AI generated article is ready, copy and paste it directly. Additionally, platforms like CPA Grip offer various CPA offers, not limited to Audible. To get started, you'll need to sign up for an affiliate network. For instance, if you choose CPA Grip, navigate to the offers tool tools section and select My Offers. Opt for US offers as they often have the most lucrative deals, though you can access them globally. Even from a remote location you can still manage this. For example, if you find an offer for an app download, you might earn around $1. I typically prefer offers where users only need to submit their email, but if CPA Grip doesn't have suitable options today, Audible might still have something worth exploring. After the AI tool completes the blog post, review the suggested books. For example, you can check if these books are available in Audible, and you can copy the links of those books to the Audible site. You'll need an affiliate link for this book to include in your blog. By providing this link, you let readers know they can access the book for free. Each person who signs up through your link earns you $15, and you can obtain the affiliate link directly from the books page on Audible. You can insert your affiliate links between each book recommendation. You can also convert these links into clickable hyperlinks and include images by clicking the plus icon, selecting Unsplash, and searching for the terms like books for relevant visuals. After adding these elements, publish your post on Medium. Then copy the post link and use it to create a Pinterest pin, driving additional traffic to your content. A third effective method to earn substantial income from Pinterest is by selling digital products. Platforms like Gumroad offer free options to get started. For convenience, I prepared a digital product that you can download and use to make money. This resource is available to you at no cost, and you can find it in the description down below. Once logged in, navigate to your account and go to the product section. Click on Add New Product, then input the product name, which you can copy and paste from the provided title. Select Digital Product and set your price. Consider a figure like $6 or less, as this is not a high-end product that warrants a higher price. To set this up, start by copying the description I provided, which was created with ChatGPT, and then make any necessary adjustments. Next, you can upload your banner art and proceed to save and continue. Be sure to include the actual content or course that users will download. For example, upload the keto diet plan, which is printable and comes with PLR rights, allowing you to resell it with modifications if desired. Set yourself as the author, then return to Pinterest to begin promoting and selling your digital products. You can also sell any digital products you've created yourself, as these might be higher quality than the one available for free. However, using the free option I created is a simple way to begin and experiment with selling online immediately. This wraps up this video. I hope you found it useful as I walked you through each method. Remember to explore the links in the description, give a like if you enjoyed it, and feel free to comment with any questions. Also, make sure to subscribe for more great content on the way. See you in the next video.